Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Richmond Estate. This is the number one development in Jamaica and probably the Caribbean. Now this development is the one that sparked the massive growth that used to taking place on the North Coast. Before this development, the North Coast was mostly for hotels. But the success of this development encouraged other developers to build homes, and before you knew it, you had Draxall, you have massive developments like Paradisiac, and it stretched right across the North Coast. So this development is responsible for all these massive developments taking place on the North Coast today. So we're going to give you more information on this. Few residential developments in Jamaica have had the lasting impact of Richmond Estate. What began as a modern gated housing community has grown into one of the country's greatest real estate success stories, transforming not only the landscape of St. Anne, but also changing how developers, investors, and home buyers view the potential of Jamaica's North Coast. Before Richmond Estate, the North Coast was primarily known for its all-inclusive resorts, beaches, and tourism attractions. While thousands of visitors flocked to destinations such as Ocho Rios, Runaway Bay, and Discovery Bay, there were few relatively large-scale master-planned residential communities offering modern amenities and international standards of living. The Richmond Estate helped change that. Developed as a secure, master-planned community with beautifully designed homes, landscaped green spaces, recreational facilities, swimming pools, clubhouses, and 24-hour security, Richmond Estate introduced a new concept of lifestyle living to the North Coast. It demonstrated that buyers wanted more than just a house. They wanted a community that offered comfort, convenience, and quality of life. Its success quickly attracted a broad range of buyers. Young professionals saw it as an ideal place to raise families. Retirees appreciated its peaceful environment and modern amenities. Members of the Jamaican diaspora found it to be an attractive investment and a perfect location for vacation or retirement homes. International investors also recognized its strong rental potential as Jamaica's tourism industry continued to expand. One of Richmond Estate's greatest contributions has been its role in the rapid growth of Jamaica's vacation rental market. As platforms like Airbnb became increasingly popular, many homeowners began offering their properties as short-term rentals. Visitors seeking spacious accommodations, privacy, and a residential experience found Richmond Estate particularly appealing. The community became one of the leading examples of how residential real estate and tourism could successfully complement one another. Its success encouraged developers across St. Anne and the wider North Coast to launch similar gated communities. Large residential projects began appearing throughout Prairie, Draxall, Miami Bay, Runaway Bay, and Ocho Rios. Today, the region is experiencing one of the largest construction booms in Jamaica's history, with billions of dollars being invested in housing, hotels, commercial centers, and supporting infrastructure. The development also helped strengthen investor confidence in Jamaica's real estate sector. It demonstrated that carefully planned communities could achieve stronger property appreciation while attracting both local and overseas buyers. This confidence has encouraged financial institutions, developers, and international investors to commit significant resources to additional projects throughout St. Anne. Today, the North Coast is no longer viewed solely as Jamaica's tourism corridor. It has become one of the island's fastest growing residential and investment regions. Luxury homes, condominiums, mixed-use developments, and internationally branded resorts are reshaping the landscape, as Richmond Estate is widely regarded as one of the developments that helped start this transformation. As Jamaica continues to experience unprecedented development along its north coast, Richmond Estate remains a landmark project, a community that helped redefine residential living, inspired a new wave of investment, and forever changed the future of St. Anne and Jamaica's real estate market. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.